Alright, so let's look at this example. We have f of x equals 2x squared minus 3, and g of x equals x minus 1. What we want to do is we want to find, so I'm going to go ahead and find f of, it's going to be g of x, so it's going to be f of g of x, right? So to do this, what you have to do is basically plug in whatever g of x is equal to for x in f of x. So I just want to quickly say this. So if I say f of 1, you always plug in like 2 times 1 squared minus 3. So it's the same idea here. What you have to do though is just, plug in. So basically we're going to plug this in here. So we're going to say that this, so f of g of x, or in other words, f composited of g of x, right, is really just this, right? So basically, we're going to say, we're first going to plug in g of x for this, right? We have f of x minus 1, so it's like this. And then that means that for our value x, we know that f of x is really 2x squared minus 3. So that means that we're going to plug this in for here, right? So we're going to have f of x minus 1 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1 quantity squared minus 3. This will give us 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus 3. Now, what I would do here is I would go ahead and first do FOIL method for this part here. And then I'm going to go ahead and distribute my 2 in. So basically, if I do FOIL method, I have x squared minus x plus 1, right? Minus 3. So then I combine my like terms here. I have x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, and then it's going to be minus 3. So then I go ahead and distribute my 2 in. I have 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus 3. Now combining like terms, I have a 2 and a negative 3, right? So I have 2x squared minus 4x minus 1. And this is what f composited of g of x would be, right? So really, it's going to be 2x squared minus 4x minus 1. Now, in the next video, I'm going to do g of f of x, or g composited of f of x. I don't want to make this video too long. Or actually, I can do it on here really quickly. So I'll do g of f of x. So g of f of x, again, we said g of x is equal to x minus 1. So give me 1 second. Let me write this down. So really, g of f of x, you're really going to plug in f of x, or I'm sorry, yes, you're going to plug in f of x for x and g of x, right? What that means is that you're going to say g of, and you're going to put 2x squared. Now, it helps, you can say that g of x equal to x minus, right? That can, sometimes that can help. Now you can go ahead and say the following. This is really just 2x squared minus 3, and then parentheses, and then minus 1. So this would be 2x squared minus 3 minus 1, which is 2x squared minus 4. So G composite of x. I write that in black. G composited of f of x equals 2x squared minus 4. And that is how you do it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please